time-lapse movie. It's a fun thing to do, and if you have this option in your camera, this is great, but if you don't, no problem. I don't have that option on my Canon 70D, but I've just received the thing which can help me with that. It's Intervalometer, and let's open the box and see how does it look. Here it comes, nothing else in the box. Oh wow, it has pretty big book, owner's manual, I guess. They rolled it, so it's not going to be easy to read. We need to undo this rolling. Okay, time remote control instruction manual. So it gives you all the instructions how to do time lapse. Now let's take a look what came with it. So this is Intervalometer, and it has no batteries. It has pretty long cable, but what's the nice thing is that it actually can be extended to the length you need. So that's exciting thing for me. I can do now time-lapse movies, which I will do and test soon and show you guys. I bought this on eBay for $19.95, I believe, including shipping, and I hope it will work good. It takes 2 AAA batteries, and it says it's supposed to work with my Canon 70D. Hold set. Okay, this is it now for opening, for unboxing.
Thank you.